Okay.
All right, this next section is about self-disclosure. So we have to self-disclose in order to form relationships around us. The rule is it's up to you to self-disclose. It's risky to self-disclose things about yourself. It's risky to develop that trust with another person. And you have to choose what's right for you in the self-disclosure process. There are a number of different theories around. I'm just going to share two, the Johari and then the social penetration theory, and then I'll share one anomaly that can happen in self-disclosure. But with this model, there's 4 windows. Is this familiar to either one of you in self-disclosure? Okay. This was actually developed by Joe and Harry. Test question. And what it says is, in window number 1, behind window number 1, are those things in self-disclosure that really aren't self-disclosure. Those are the things that are completely obvious to you and me. So for example, physical features about ourselves. You know this about me, I know this about me, I know you know this thing about me. Or the things that I decide to reveal to you about myself. So everything is all out in the open. It's very safe right here. Behind window number 2, however, are those things that you know about me that I don't know about me. They call this the bad breath window. So, I can have bad breath. I may not know it, but you know it. Or other things could happen. Maybe you have a nervous habit when you do something, and I notice it, but you're not aware of it. Okay, that would go under window number 2. As you start training in certain fields, medical fields, you may notice somebody has a condition that they're not aware of, but you know it. Or I may notice in my field that somebody may have a learning disability, and they may not know it, but I know it. That's window number 2. You can put things in window number 1 by talking to that person, by revealing those things to them. And then this will get bigger. Window number 3, opposite of window number 2, those are those secrets we keep. So I may keep things from you because, for whatever reason, I choose not to self-disclose. You have secrets that you choose not to share with others. That goes in window number 3. They can be anything. That can be in window number 3. It could be who I voted for last election. Could be in window number 3. And if I decide to share that, then we're going to go into window number 2. Okay, so these again are our secrets. So I know this about me, you don't know this about me. Window number 2, I don't know this about me, you know this about me. Window number 4, this one's a tough one. These are the things that I don't know this about me and you don't know this about me, or whoever we're talking about. So I had no idea that so-and-so was going to end up in the hospital, and ended in heat. Okay, time of death. So there's certain things that we just can't predict. We don't know this about others. They don't know this about themselves. That's window number 4. It is just time before that comes out. Okay, so that's Johari. The next one is the social penetration theory. And it goes by what they call breadth and depth. And this is also in your book. They do a pretty nice job in your book explaining this. And they say that the social penetration theory is like peeling the layers of an onion. So the outer layers of the onion are like what this is. These are the things that are pretty obvious to each other or inconsequential that others know. So these top layers are easy to disclose. Anybody may know it or figure it out. And we can start with our small talk. How are you doing? What did you do this weekend? And you just go deeper and deeper in conversation and self-disclosure with others until you get to the middle